Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 13 surface areas and volumes topic. In that topic, fourth question. In the fourth question, they tells about a paint container is there. In that container, paint is there. Area, total surface area of that container is given there. Total surface area TSA of a paint container is given there. Paint container is given there, that is 9.375 meter square is the TSA of the paint container. Next they saying that here one bricks dimensions are given. Dimensions means length, breadth, height of the one brick is given there. Such type how many bricks are possible to painting using this paint container paint in this container. In container full of paint is there. Using that to paint how many bricks can be painted. The number of bricks they ask to find out. So bricks one bricks length, breadth, height is given. Length is given as 22.5 centimeter. Breadth of the brick is given as 10 centimeter. Height of the brick is given as 7.5 centimeter. Question asking how many bricks can be painted. Bricks of same dimension can be painted. Bricks can be painted using the paint in this container. So how to find out? First of all, what are the information they given? They given us total surface area of a paint container is given. Here paint container paint is equal to the total surface area of paint container is given as 9.375 meter square. Next one brick dimensions are given there. So we want to find out the total surface. Each brick, different types of bricks are there. That's why which brick they are given. We want to identify. That's why we want to find out total surface area of one brick to find out. So length is given like this. So TSA of a brick is equal to, brick is in which shape? Cuboid shape. Brick shape is cuboid. What is the formula for finding TSA of a cuboid? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is the formula for finding a total surface area of a cuboid. Our brick is in cuboid shape. That's why 2 into length place, length value is how much? 22.5 into breadth is 10 plus breadth is 10, height is 7.5. Then all are same unit. That's why no problem. All are in centimeter. Plus next height value given as 7.5, length value given as 22.5. Calculation doing. So 2 into any decimal number multiply with the 10 means from left to right. One place take and put decimal point. That's why 225 will 5 point where it coming 5 after point will coming. No digits are there. That's why we get answer as 225. Plus this also decimal number multiply with 10 means left to right to one place, so 75 plus this part to multiply 225 is multiply with without decimal point. First we multiply, afterwards count multiplicand and multiplier place how many digits are there after decimal point, count and put decimal point. First without decimal point multiply. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, 7 5s are 35, 35 3 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 17, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. Then adding 10 5 7 8 6 1 decimal point. Here after decimal point one digit, here also after decimal point one digit, total 2 digit, from right to left 2 place count and put decimal point. So how much 168.75 will get in there. Again, all these numbers are adding time, we get 4 into 468.75 will get in there. Then multiply with 2, multiplying time, answer become 937.5 centimeter square. Our unit is in the centimeter square. But here one problem, TSA of a paint container is in which unit, meter square. Both are in different unit. That's why make it as a centimeter. How to make it as a meter unit? We know that 1 meter containing how much centimeter? 100 centimeter. Our unit is in centimeter square. That means 1 meter square represent as how much centimeter square? 100 into 100 become 10,000 will get in. 10,000 centimeter square. Here question is in the centimeter square. So 1 centimeter square become how much meter square? Asking that 1 by 10,000 is the answer, meter square. So we can divide 937.5 is divided with 10,000. So next step we can divide that number. So we write it as that answer as division doing time. Convert a centimeter to meter means the smallest unit convert to highest unit means division doing. Which number used to divide at 10,000? Already we found 1 centimeter square containing how much meter square? 1 by 10,000 centimeter square is there. Then next our question is find out how many bricks can possible to painting using that paint. Which paint? A container having paint. That container paint using and how many bricks we can able to paint. That is the meaning of the question. So number of bricks we want to find. Number of bricks can be painting is equal to how to find out to means TSA of container is divided by TSA of a brick. TSA we got how much? This much area for the brick case. A brick area become 937.5 by 10,000. Then TSA of container is the 9.375. Both are now it is in the meter. So values are TSA of container place we can substitute 9.375 divided by TSA of a brick means 937.5 divided by 10,000. Here see in denominator fraction number means how we can write reciprocal, take and multiply. That's why we can take a reciprocal of this number. Reciprocal of that number means 9.375 is multiplied with 10,000 by 937.5. The numerator part to see any decimal number multiply with 10,000 or 100 or 1,000. How we can do? First number write and put how many zeros are there. First which number same number 9375 right. Then 10,000 carry how many zeros? 4 zeros we want to keep there. Then afterwards look at the numerator part. After decimal point how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3 digits are there. From right to left 3 place count and put 1, 2, 3. So point coming here divided by denominator part is 937.5. So point after 3 zeros means we can leave it. 0 case we can leave that. Then again continue in time. See it is equal to 93750 is the point after 3 zeros leave. Then here see again denominator carrying decimal point. Division difficult, not possible. That's why how to divide, remove that decimal point. How to remove after decimal point 1 digit means how to remove the decimal point divided with 10. After decimal point 2 digit means divided with 100. After decimal point 3 digit means divided with 1000, like that. Here 1 digit only. That's why we can remove with divided with 10. Again denominator carry fractional number. What we want to do? Reciprocal take and multiply. Numerator part have no change. Reciprocal of this fractional number become 10 by m. 9375. See 9375, 9376. Same number cancellation. So same number cancellation means one time. But here 10 is the 0. Keep it on the right side of the 1. So here 1 only. Same number cancellation means one time, and but 0 is the. Then 10 into 10 become how much? 100. Denominator become 1 only. So what is the meaning? How many bricks we can able to paint with the painting with the help of that container paint 100 bricks we can able to painting using the container paint. That is the meaning of that question. I hope you can understand how to calculate this one. So number of bricks, how to find out TSA of the container, total surface area of the container divided with the total surface area of one brick. One brick dimensions are given. That's why TSA of one brick we want to find. Using that division doing time we get a number of bricks as 100. Then next we go through next question. Next question they says that here they given us fifth question they given us two type box are there. One is a cube shape box. Cube box are there. Side of that cube is given that side of that edge, side of that cube. Edge means side. Edge of that cube become 10 centimeter. They given then another box is there. A cuboid shape box is there. A cuboidal box means cuboid shape box. Length given as 12.5 centimeter. 12.5 centimeter. Breadth given as 10 centimeter of the cuboid box, and height given as 8 centimeter. In this way they given question. Two parts of questions they are given. First part they asking which box has, which cube box or cuboid box has the greater lateral surface area. Greater lateral surface LSA. Then and how much they difference they have, by how much and by how much. First part. Second part they say asking about which box has the smaller TS total surface area and by how much and by how much. Two parts are asking them. Two type of box are there. One is cube shape box, another is a cuboid shape box. In both shape comparison doing and asking the first part what they ask to find which box have a more lateral surface area. We want to find that. That's why we want to separately find out the LSA of a cube and the LSA of a cuboid. So first LSA of a cube first we find. First box is cube. That's why LSA of cube. What is the formula? LSA case we consider 4 walls only. That's why 4 face means 4a square is the formula for LSA of a cube. Value substitute 4 into a means a represent as a side of a cube. Side of a cube is how much? 10. But a square is there. That is 10 square. 10 square become how much? 100. So 4 into 100. 4 into 100 become how much? 400 centimeter square is the LSA of a cube. Same way LSA of a cuboid find out. LSA of a cuboid shape find out. Cuboid shape, what is the formula LSA? 4 walls so 4 walls are in a rectangular shape, 4 rectangle area find out. So we last class we learned 2h into L plus B is the formula for finding LSA of a cuboid. So value substitute 2 into height of the box is given as a 8, length of the box is given as 12.5, breadth of the box is given as a 10. Calculation 2 8s are how much? 16. Inside bracket 12.5 plus 10 become how much? 22.5 is the answer. Then they are multiplying time. How much will coming there? They multiplying time. Here LSA of multiplying time, how much will come in there at it is equal to 360 centimeter square is the 360. They multiply 22 to 225 is multiply with 60 without decimal point. Multiplying time, multiply and put from right to left, one place count and put decimal point, we get 360 centimeters. Then what is the question they asking? Which box has greater LSA, which have LSA of cube is greater. So we can say LSA of a cube is greater than LSA of a cuboid. Cuboid has how much LSA part? Only 360 centimeter. But cube case 400 centimeter square. Then how much? By how much asking? The difference asking. Difference means 400 minus 360. Borrow and subtract 10 minus 6 4. 40 centimeter square is the difference. The area's difference will come 40 centimeter square is the difference. I hope you can understand the first part. Same as second part. Second part what they asking? Take the two box. Which are the two box? Cube shape and cuboid shape. The TSA part to find out. The same process. TSA of a cube and TSA of a cuboid. First we want to find out. So we can find it as a first TSA of a cube. First we find out what is the formula. TSA means total surface area. Cube has how many faces? 6 faces. All the 6 face area, all are a square shape. That's why a square plus a square. So last class we learned. So 6a square is the formula. That means 6 into a represent a side of a cube. Side of a cube is 10. A square means 10 square. 10 square means 100. So 6 into 100 become 600 centimeter square is the TSA of the cube. Same way TSA of a cuboid we want to find out. TSA of a cuboid, how to what is the formula? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is the formula for finding a TSA of a cuboid. TSA means total face of a cuboid. How many face cuboid also have a 6 face? That 6 face area adding time we get to total surface area of a cube. So 2 times is the, that's why 2 is common. Yesterday we derivated that formula also last class. Then we write it as 2 into value substitute. Value substitute in time 2 into length is 12.5 into breadth is 10 plus breadth is 10 into height is 8 plus height is 8 into length is 12.5. In this way values substitute and calculation doing is equal to 2 into any decimal number multiply with 10 means from left to right one place take and put to decimal. 5 after decimal point come in. There are no use here, digits are not there. 5 after no digits are there, so leave it. Or a decimal point after. For how to multiply? Same number right and 10 carry 1 0, that 0 right. Here after decimal point one place means from right to left one place take and put 0. Decimal after 0 means leave. Then 10 into 8 to become 80 plus this part to 120 without decimal point number take and multiply 40 8 2s are 60 plus 4 comes to be 20 and here the 1000 will come. After decimal point, how many digits? 1 digit. That's why from right to left, one place take and put. So here comes to be how much? 100. Point after 0 means leave. Then here also point after 0 means leave. We get answer because how much? Here 2 into 3 not 5 will coming a multiplying time 610 centimeters square. Then see what is the question? Which box has smaller TSA? Smaller case asking. Smaller which one? Here 600, here 610. Which box has smaller? A cube has. So we can say TSA of a cube is smaller symbol in this way, smaller symbol. TSA of a cuboid. Cuboid have a more TSA. They are asking smaller case. That's why TSA of cube is smaller than TSA of a cube. By how much they asking? But the difference asking. So how to find out difference? Bigger number minus smaller number. So how much difference? 10 centimeter square difference it have. In this way that question we want to solve. I hope you can understand the fifth problem. Next we go through another one more question. In that question they tells about one person want to make a shelter for what purpose? Means he want to keep his car on that shelter, temporary shelter. That's why what he done means he using tarpaul and construct a structure of a box using and make a shelter. Box means which shape? Cuboid shape, like this way. Cuboid shape box using and he make a shelter for what purpose? To shelter for keeping his car, like this way. Then 4 walls and top part also cover with tarpaulin, and floor is not covered. 4 walls and top means how many faces? We know that box has 6 faces. In that 6 faces, floor is not covered. That is the meaning. Floor we are not covering it. Where they covering it, cover the top also, top part also they covering it, and 4 walls also covering it. Then how much area they asking? How much dimensions are there? Then how much area tarpaulin required for covering it? So how much area tarpaulin is required? Required for first we find out the area. How to for tarpaulin length, breadth, height is given. Which shape he going to construct a structure of a box shape? A box is in which shape? A cuboid case. That's why 4 walls covering means it represent as a LSA of a cuboid, plus top also cover with the tarpaulin. Top represent as which shape? A rectangle shape, area of a rectangle. So how to find a LSA of a cuboid plus a area of a rectangle? There both adding time we get how much area tarpaulin needed for making a shelter will get in there. Tarpaulin length, breadth, height are given there. Length of shelter, dimension of shelter is given as 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter, height given as 25 meter, like this way. Here area required of tarpaulin to make the shelter. Area required of tarpaulin to make the shelter. We want to find out. How to find out? Area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls. 4 walls represent as a LSA part of the cuboid. Why? Because the box is in shape of a cuboid. Plus area of top. Area of a top part. Top part is in which shape? Rectangle shape. For identification, bracket I mark in that. LSA of a 4 walls. How to find out? What is the formula? 2h into L plus B is the formula for finding LSA of a cuboid. Area of a top rectangle shape means a rectangle formula. Length into breadth is the formula for finding area of a rectangle. Value substitute 2 into height of the shelter given as 25 25, length of the shelter is 4, breadth of the shelter given as 3, plus length is given as 4, breadth is given as 3. Like this way we want to substitute. 2 5s are how much? 50. 4 plus 3 inside bracket calculation. 4 plus 3 become 7. Plus 4 into 3 become how much? 12. Then here comes to 350 plus 12. 350 plus 12 comes to be how much? Sorry. Here here not 25, sorry, here 2.5, 25 not 2.5. So point after here keep in time, we get how much? Yeah, after decimal point, 1 decimal point keep in time, 0 will remove 35. So 35 plus 12 comes to be how much? 47 meter square is the area required of a tarpaulin to make the shelter. How much area required for tarpaulin to make the shelter means how much? 4. So here remember not 25 meter, 2.5 point is there. So we keep a 2.5, then 2 into 20, 25 2s are 50, decimal point is there, from right to left, one place to put so 5 point 0 means leave. Then 4 plus 3 comes to be 7, 4 into 3 become 12, 5 into 7 here point 0 leave means 35, plus 12 become 35 plus 12 become how much? 47 meter square is the answer. I hope you can understand this exercise. Next remaining part, remaining another shapes, cone shape is there, spear shape, hemisphere shape, cylinder shape, like the shapes TSA and LSA we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.